The Su-25 attack aircraft is key air strategic weapon for Russia in the war filed on Ukraine's sky, playing great role to destroy Ukraine ground force and air defense system for Russia. Capable of carrying 9,000 pounds of bombs, rockets and missiles, the Russian Frogfoot jet forms part of the invading forces' air strategy in Ukraine. This aircraft was built by Ukrainian Manpad missiles supplied by America and NATO to successfully return to home air base without any injury of pilot. The Su-25 ground attack aircraft is effective in exactly that, with Russia releasing cockpit footage appearing to show successful strikes against Ukrainian buildings. Designed in the 1970s, the Su-25 surpasses its American counterpart, the A-10 Warthog, in speed and range and is also capable of staying airborne despite taking considerable damage. Footage shows what Russia claims to be a Frogfoot jet Su-25 that had successfully landed after being struck by a missile.